Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to study one more very important quadrilateral. We all know that there are types of quadrilateral like parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square and trapezium. In previous video we have already covered parallelogram, rectangle and rhombus, and in coming video we are going to study trapezium. So basically in this video we are going to start with square. See, now understand what is a square. Observe here on screen. I've drawn one quadrilateral with four sides and let's name it as ABC. Now if you observe here in this quadrilateral, all sides are equal. So it is a plane figure with four sides whose all sides are equal in length and each angle is 90 degrees. So what is a square? A plane figure with four sides whose all sides have equal length and each angle is 90 degrees called as a square. So remember, this is very important. Now let's move with some properties of square. Now let's again have one square with same name ABC and diagonal AC and BD which intersects at point O. Now first property of square says diagonals bisect each other. That means AO will be equal to OC and BO will be equal to OD. Next, second property, diagonals are congruent. That means these two diagonals are congruent. That means they have equal length. That means we can say AC is congruent to BD. Next, diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. We all know what is a perpendicular bisector. The angle which is formed in between, that is angle O, or you can say AOD, is equal to 90 degree. Also they are bisectors. That means AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD. Last but not the least, the fourth property, diagonals bisect opposite angles. We have already studied this property in rhombus, the diagonals bisecting opposite angles. That means if you observe here, AC is a diagonal, the opposite angle which it touches is point A and C. So these two angles are bisected by this diagonal. That means BAC will be equal to CAD. The diagonal is not just touching the opposite angles A and C, it is bisecting angle A and C, and similarly goes for diagonal BD. It bisects opposite angle B and D. I hope you are clear with all the properties of square. I hope you are clear with square. Make sure that before going you like this video and subscribe my channel if you are watching this on YouTube, and if you are watching this on Instagram, make sure that before going you follow. Chalo, we'll meet next time with some other concept, some new concept. Tab tak take care. Goodbye. See ya.